What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. So I had a request from a friend to make mistletoe with berries. So I went into Tinkercad and I just placed 3 spheres on the plate, moved them around, and then grouped them. So the way you would do that is, I will ungroup them right now and show you. So now they are ungrouped, and you can see how you can pick them individually. Okay, for the holly, for the mistletoe, I did a similar thing where I found a holly leaf online and duplicated it, mirrored it, and then joined them together, and then joined them together. The problem I was having, I tried to do this in Bamboo Studio, and I'll show you a picture. The place where the 2 leaves merged together didn't lie flat completely. So I ended up having to pull them into here and then group them together, and then they just printed beautifully. So let's go ahead and I will show you what this looks like, and we will go from there. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. So this is what the holly ended up looking like when I tried to print it, or when I tried to join them together in Bamboo Studio. You can see the marring right there where the 2 pieces come together. So Bamboo didn't do a good I guess a good merger of the 2. Maybe I did something wrong. That's probably likely. But I ended up taking them into Tinkercad like I showed you, and this is how they turned out. So I printed 24 of these on a plate, and then I went back and printed 24 of these. And we're going to end up with that. And again, what that's going to be used for, I think again, I might have mentioned it at the beginning, maybe not. It's going to be a decoration for a wine bottle. You'll be able to put a string through the top and wrap it around the neck of the wine bottle for a Christmas gift. So, pretty awesome. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.